As you guys can already tell, I'm outside of the Jamaican consulate. We are coming back in 2025 with progress. There was a little bit of a delay, but I'm here ready to pump out the video. So if you guys want to know how the process went, just stay tuned and I will keep you guys updated and let you guys know how to get your Jamaican passport as a descendant and your citizenship. Please make sure you guys have all your documents because you know how Jamaican system's slow already. Cool? So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a second when I upload.
Coming up next.
So this is my outfit for today. It's casual, but I think it's cute. Yes, guys, I revamped the channel. I think we needed a change. And I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think below. So, unfortunately, I did not get my citizenship application done today because I wasn't aware that PICA did not take Visa debit. So I have to go back next week with all the required documents. So I'm on the right track, but I still got some work to do. They only accepted money orders, so that's just a little tip for you guys if you want to do your Jamaican descended at the consulate. So I'll be going back next week. It's fine. It's something minute in the grand scheme of things. I'm a little disappointed that I didn't get it done. So moving forward. And also I had one of my subscribers ask if I can show you guys how you pay your NHT contributions online as a voluntary contributor. So please, if you want it, I got it. I think it will help a lot of you guys. You can do it from the comfort of your home and it's really easy. And I know, guys, some of my videos are a little bit longer than I'd like, but I took a long hiatus from YouTube and I need my watch time hours. I do this not for the viral moments and not for the money and definitely not for the views because most of the time I don't have any of significance. I just do it for the fun and because I want to share with you guys. So if you don't want to hear me ramble, you can just skip over to the prevalent parts that interest you. I'm not really familiar with the time stamping. I took a long break from YouTube and a lot has changed, but I'm slowly learning. So once I figure out the timestamps, I will definitely put them below so that you guys can just skip to the parts of the video that interest you, because I know that there are some loyal followers that come here for very specific content and I understand that. But if my videos are long, guys, it's just simply because I need the watch time and YouTube does not pay you or monetize you unless you have a certain amount of watch time. So just please support the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because it really helps, guys. Okay, don't go anywhere because I'm about to show you guys how to pay for your NHT online, specifically for those voluntary contributors overseas who do not want to send money to a loved one and just hope that it gets there. Also, when I was in Jamaica in January, I was able to view one of the upcoming NHT properties at an affordable price point. It is a gated community and I am so excited because it was lovely. And as far as I can see on YouTube, there are no videos that give you a detailed walkthrough of this scheme. So if you guys are interested, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know if that's something that interests you. Because as much as I would love to crank out these videos, it's hard when you're cranking out videos that you know your subscribers want to see, videos that they have asked for, and the engagement doesn't reflect that. So sometimes it just gets a little discouraging, guys. So help me help you. I would love to do more showings. I would love to do more videos of properties, but I can't do that without you guys. I can't give up because this is something that's important to me. And for those of you that have watched my previous videos, know that maintaining my Jamaican roots and nurturing it and fostering it is important to me on so many levels, because it's important to have options, and Jamaica has so much to offer. I really don't listen to the negative stuff because every country has their issues, but I think Jamaica is an asset, and if you can, I think owning a piece of the rock is valuable. That gives you a hint in what I need it for without saying too much, so I'll just leave it at that. Sorry, I'm outside if you guys hear any noise. Let me know if you're interested below, and without further ado, for all you voluntary contributors, let me show you how to pay your NHT benefit online easily. It's a breeze. Let's do it.
So of course, you're going to go to your home screen and click on your browser. Give me 1 second. Let me make my screen larger. Sorry about that. After years of using Windows, I switched to MacBook suddenly, and I'm still getting the hang of it. So here, you're just going to type in the NHT online website. There, you will see a home page. On the right side, you will see 2 options for register and log in. And of course, you don't have an account yet, so you will be clicking on register. The online registration form is simply 1 page, and here they're going to ask for things like first name, last name, and email address. The most important thing to have here is your TRN and NIS. Without that information filled in correctly, you will not be able to move on to the next page. If I didn't already have an account, I'd walk through that step with you. But moving on, you guys are just going to go back to the login page and log in using the email and the password that you guys created earlier. Before I get deeper in the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell below so you don't miss out on videos like this. It is case sensitive, guys, so remember this. And then you will just click the sign in tab, and then voila, you're in. From here, which is the main dashboard, you should be able to see all your contributions, but you must make sure that in the registration process, all your information was correct. If you still have a problem and you don't see all this information, stay tuned. And after I show you how to pay your NHT contributions, I will show you how to correctly verify your account. And to go ahead and make a payment, you're going to click on the Make a Payment tab on the left-hand side. At the top of this page, they also have a My Cards tab where you can go and all your cards that you use for payment can be listed, or you can go ahead and add it for the first time now. I never know exactly what they mean by payment start date and end date, since you can pay this month's payment at the 14th day of the next month, but I always just put the start of the month to the end of the month pursuant to the month that I'm paying, just to be on the safe side. Remember that as a voluntary contributor, we must pay the amount that's stated in our local currency. So please look up online the Jamaican equivalency of that. And remember, it's 3% of our proposed income. So you're just going to go ahead and enter it below. And before I forget, before making your first initial payment, they will take a nominal fee from you, I guess about a couple of cents, very minimal, so don't worry, just to verify the account is yours before taking your monthly contribution. I guess it's a way of verifying that it's you and for security reasons. And I think it's a great thing because it just gives you that extra layer of security. I can't initiate that page because I've had my NHT online account for years, but I promise you it's automated and easy. You don't have to do anything. Now you're just going to add your monthly payment amount in Jamaican currency and hit the checkout tab. So now you are just going to add your credit card details and your billing details as directed. I'm not going to show you that, obviously for security reasons, but For me, the information would be Toronto, Canada. So you just put it in pursuant to your location. And remember, all the information must not only be correct, but match up with the information given when you applied to become an NHT contributor. So please take your time, because we want to make sure that we are able to pay our contributions on our own. And I want you guys to achieve this successfully. So please take your time and fill out the information correctly and effectively. Oh, before I forget, would you guys like me to do more videos like this and turn it into some sort of a series? I could post videos on how to do applications for the open market as well as foreclosure and private treaty homes. It's possible. Voluntary contributors are eligible, and I can walk you through it online in real time on bidding and such. Please let me know. But for now, let's get back to the video. Once your information is completed correctly, you are just going to hit continue. Once that is completed correctly, you would have then made your first NHT contribution payment online as a voluntary contributor. Yay, you did it! Upon completion of payment, you will get a verification code sent to your phone along with the receipt, and you're done. You can slide over to the payment history tab and see all your payments made by credit card online. And don't worry if you don't see it right away. It takes one business day to see the payment reflected on their system, because remember guys, it is Jamaica and it is a little slow, but it will be there. I was worried the first time and it worked out. The site does lag sometimes, but especially when you're making payment, please do not try to refresh the page. I want to show you guys something I find so exciting. So go ahead and click on the bottom tab, the Mortgage Center. It allows you to initiate the mortgage process from anywhere in the world with NHT, so that you can begin getting the pre-approval process and your eligibility level letter with the EFMP banks underway. I haven't used it yet, but I've seen other YouTubers have videos and tutorials on this, and it seems very intuitive and simple. And I think that's amazing. And if you have been a voluntary contributor for over 7 years, I believe, you can go ahead and apply for your contribution refund online. As you can see, I am not, but I still think it's a great service to have and be able to initiate online. You can also upload documentation such as additional loan applications and personal information documents that you might want to update. You can also go ahead and click on the contribution tabs, and you will see all the contributions that you've made since your start of being a voluntary contributor, including but not limited to the contributions that you will make online. Here is an example of this. Also, if you hit the notification tab, you will get updates from the NHT. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!